He's a riddle, wrapped in a mystery, inside an enigma.
Hey, welcome to yet another amazing Minute Microscopy. I'm Eric Rosenblatt, and today I'd like to rant a bit about something that's bugged me for a long time, and maybe to summarize and reiterate thoughts from an earlier episode. College is a scam. Now, I'm not suggesting college is always a waste of time and money. Well, okay, I am. Though for some fields, I suppose it could prove beneficial, but you could basically achieve the same results being an intern or an apprentice, even if it's unpaid, and you'd come out financially better off with no debt and superior skills. Maybe college is good for academic fields like doctors and such, but I suspect most who attend college do so because they don't know what they want to do with their life or societal expectations or to simply make more money. And I'd argue those aren't valid reasons. I learned what my career path would be by working various jobs. And though I don't have a degree, I'm able to do all right for myself, even though I live in a fairly costly area. So it's certainly achievable without college. In fact, I'm kind of glad I didn't complete college because what I wanted to do back then is definitely not what I want to do now. So it would have been pointless. And I would have missed out on so many great, enlightening experiences. And for all you employers out there, you're definitely not off the hook. In fact, you're right up there with parents, state level propaganda, and the education system as a whole in terms of culpability for perpetuating this myth. It's kind of an academic, governmental, familial, corporate circle jerk. Ew. Employer expectation is a major factor in the demand for degrees in the first place. And most of the time, it's wholly unnecessary. That certificate doesn't prove you know anything. And in some cases, it's proof you don't. Just saying. If you're convinced that college is a sensible choice for everyone, I'd ask, do you actually work in the field of your degree? If you do, did the college experience adequately prepare you for the work that you do? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm all for learning and expanding one's mental horizons and skill set. But higher education isn't always the way to do that. Perhaps we ought to be more accepting of alternate career paths, military service or trade schools, or in the words of Mike Rowe,
grab some boots, lose that suit, and get a dirty job. Nice. Got one more dirty job.
They're every bit as deserving of respect as any academic path, and perhaps more so. Or maybe, I don't know, you could accept a little bit of risk and start a business. After all, almost every employer out there is someone who started a business, and a lot of them never completed college. Whoa. So does going to college make you dependent on someone who didn't? Oh.